Hi everybody, welcome to another song tutorial by the Rocky School of Music. Today we're talking about Big Dipper from Bill to Spill's 1994 album, There's Nothing Wrong with Love. Alright, let's get to it.
Once when I was little, someone pointed out to me some constellations, but the Big Dipper was all I could see. Brontosaurus must have stood 1,000 miles high. Brontosaurus laying on its side up in the sky. Bottoms up this time. Won't you let me be? Bottoms up this time. Won't you rescue me? Should have been last night, said to me. Jack thought it twice and thought that had made it true. Some brains just weren't that way. That's what chemicals can do. Thought he'd had beer, thought it was rum. Thought an ounce of stir-fried dinner made his heart home. Bottoms up this time. Won't you let me be? Bottoms up this time. Won't you rescue me? Should have been last night, the Big Dipper said to me. I thought I'd be, but I learned to be like you. Now nothing bores me, that's that. Nothing is
Hi guys, and welcome to this lesson on Big Dipper by Bill to Spill from There's Nothing Wrong with Love. So we got a couple bar chords in here, so nothing too tricky, but it's a mixture of bar chords and regular open chords, okay? So the basic progression here is A major, F sharp minor, B minor, D minor, to A. So he kind of plays it. A, sharp minor, B minor, D minor, A. There's two sections. That's the A section. There's a B section. There's no bridge in this song. So the B section starts doing kind of the indie rock thing, all the downstrokes. B minor, D minor, A minor, F sharp minor, B minor, D minor, A to F sharp minor to E major, B minor, and land on a D minor at the end, okay? So let's talk about the basic chord shapes here. I'm guessing most people coming to this video already know how to play an A. I suggest learning how to play an A with the first finger just barring on the 4th, 3rd, and 2nd strings, as opposed to kind of like the folk guitar way, which is like the traffic jam way, like the first 3 fingers, like 1st, 2nd, and 3rd finger. With the A finger kind of loose, you can do all sorts of cooler stuff. And if you ever learn to start playing lead, you know, the fingers tied up like that in that traffic jam way, you can never do those single notes that surround that A shape, okay? You have our F sharp minor chord, which if you visualize it, is just an open E minor shape moved up to the 2nd fret. You bar the first finger on the 2nd fret. The B minor is your A minor shape moved up. And then you have your D minor, just your D minor open chord. Back to A. A. F sharp minor. B minor. To D minor to A. And then the second section, B minor. D minor. A. That F sharp minor again. Yep. B minor, D minor, A to F sharp minor, to your E major, to your B minor, and then you finally land on your D minor. You should check out this whole album. It's a really cool album. It's one of my favorite indie rock albums. Well, that's it for now. If you're not already a subscriber, please subscribe here. If you'd like to leave a comment below for future ideas for song tutorials, do that. Please check us out on Instagram at RockU School of Music, and please check our Patreon page, okay? Thanks a lot, guys.